down the historic Thames River, one of the most iconic waterways in the world. Today, we're embarking on a unique experience, exploring the city's landmarks with the convenience and luxury of Uber boat service. Our voyage begins at Greenwich Peninsula, a vibrant hub where modernity meets history. From here, we'll glide along the gentle currents of the Thames, passing beneath the towering architecture of London's Skyline. Whether you're a local seeking a new perspective or a visitor craving an unforgettable experience, Uber Boat offers a seamless and comfortable journey. And the best part? It's more affordable than you might think. Yes, you heard that right. With prices starting from just $6.50 for single journeys, you can explore London's iconic landmarks without breaking the bank. From the historic Tower Bridge to the majestic London Eye, every turn of the river unveils a new marvel. The Thames River, often referred to as the lifeblood of London, holds within its depths stories that span centuries. From ancient Roman settlements to bustling modern metropolises, its waters have witnessed the ebb and flow of time. For thousands of years, the Thames has served as a vital artery for trade, commerce, and culture. It has been the stage upon which kings and queens, poets, and pioneers have left their mark. But beyond its historical significance, the Thames is also a haven of natural beauty, teeming with wildlife and offering breathtaking vistas at every turn. Its tranquil waters provide a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of city life. Today, as we navigate the waters of the Thames, let us pause to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us and the stories that whisper in the wind. From the ancient shores of Greenwich to the modern skyline of Canary Wharf, every bend in the river reveals a new chapter in London's story. So, whether you're a local or a visitor, take a moment to immerse yourself in the beauty of the Thames River and discover the magic that lies within its currents. Join us on this journey as we celebrate the history, culture, and natural splendor of one of the world's most iconic waterways. none other than the illustrious Westminster Pier, where history and politics converge in a breathtaking panorama. As we approach, take a moment to soak in the grandeur of the Houses of Parliament and the iconic Big Ben. As our journey comes to a close, we reflect on the beauty and diversity of London, a city that never ceases to inspire. So, whether you're commuting to work or exploring for pleasure, make sure to add an Uber boat ride on the Thames to your itinerary. Join us again for more adventures on the waterways of the world. Until then, happy exploring.